This YouTube background is fake, and here's exactly how I did it. So firstly, you have to use either a tripod stand or a ring light to film yourself. Then after filming yourself, you can save the videos into your gallery and move to the next step. So the next step requires you to go to a website called Leonardo.Ai. This website allows you to generate fake YouTube background studio for free because they're going to give you a credit of 150. So now we are going to generate our fake YouTube studio, our $50,000 fake YouTube studio, guys. This is going to be fun. Now, after completing the sign up, tap the search bar and type the keyword YouTube Studio Epic. So just some important information I think you should know. If you want to generate any image on Leonardo.ai, you're going to be charged 20 coins. And remember, you have only 150 coins, which were given to you for free. So guys, I've come to the conclusion that this last one is more final and much better than the rest of them. So I'm going to use this last studio. I'm going to download this now. So guys, the next step is to import this footage into your CapCut editor or your Inshot. So after importing your footage, kindly click on overlay, then add your footage, then remove the background. Most of the time I do have issues with removing the background using CapCut, so I use Inshot. After importing your footage in Inshot, kindly click on Canvas, then change it to YouTube. After changing your canvas to the size of YouTube, kindly tap on Cutout to cut out your image, then export it in the highest quality, which is 1080p. So after exporting the video, kindly go back to CapCut and add that same video as an overlay. Now the next step is to make sure our video blends with our YouTube studio, and for us to do this we have to select the filter section. Now the next step is for us to make sure our background is blurred and looks like a professional video, and in order for us to do this we have to go back to Inshot. In order for us to have this blur effect on Inshot, we have to tap on Effects, then click on AI Effects, then choose Blur. So I'm going to reduce the blur effect so that it doesn't overshadow our YouTube studio. By the way, if you haven't liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. This YouTube background is fake, and here's exactly how I did it.